Sony has started rolling out Android 8.0 ARIA updates to its Xperia XA1 family of smartphones, comprising the Xperia XA1, Xperia XA1 Plus, and Xperia XA1 Ultra, as per user reports. The update also brings along the February 5 Android security patch, a bit of a disappointment considering the availability of the March security patch. The Xperia XA1 and Xperia XA1 Ultra smartphones were launched with Android 7.0 Nougat at MWC 2017, while the Xperia XA1 Plus was launched with Android Nougat at IFA 2017. Users report the Sony Xperia XA1 series Android 8.0 update brings build number 48.1.a.0.116, as noted by Xperia blog. Sony's track record with Android updates has been hit and miss, but users will certainly be grateful their non-flagship smartphones are receiving version updates, albeit after the Android P developer preview was released. The Japanese company released its ARIA update for its last generation flagship, the Xperia XZ Premium, in October, which is significantly earlier than its scheduled December arrival. The Xperia R1 and Xperia R1 Plus mid-range handsets, launched exclusively in India in October last year, received their Android 8.0 updates earlier this month. Sony updated its 2-year-old Xperia X and Xperia X Compact last month. This year, Sony has launched 5 handsets thus far: the Xperia XA2, Xperia XA2 Ultra, and Xperia L2 at CES 2018. Apart from its Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 compact handsets at MWC 2018.